And now our topic is ambiguity. But ambiguity, that concept of music. In my another video about ambiguity, ang ambiguity ay nangangahulugang makabuluhan. Maraming kahulugan. Nakakalito. Because sa sobrang daming kahulugan, hindi mo ko alam kung ano doon. Yung parang unclear na pangungusap na hindi mo maintindihan o yung sinasabi sa'yo. Now, balik tayo sa ating topic. What is ambiguity in concept of music? Ambiguity in the concept of music refers to the quality of a musical element, passage, or intercomposition having more than one plausible interpretation or meaning. It is the opposite of clarity or certainty, and it is often deliberately used by composers to create richness, complexity, suspense, or emotional depth. Key aspect of musical ambiguity. Ambiguity in music can manifest in various ways, most commonly in the structural elements. Harmony ambiguity or tonal ambiguity. This is when a chord or a passage of music could belong to multiple different keys. Example, a single C major chord can exist in the key of C major, G major, F major, A minor, E minor, or D minor, among others. Without a clear surrounding content like a strong cadence, the tonal center is uncertain. Chords like the dissonant, seventh chord, or the augmented triad are inherently ambiguous because of their symmetrical structure, allowing them to lead to multiple possible new keys. Rhythmic metrical ambiguous. Rhythmic metrical ambiguity. This occurs when the underlying pulse or meter, whether it is a group of 3 or 4 beats, is unclear or seems to shift between different possibilities. Listeners might perceive the downbeat differently, leading to a sense of instability or rhythmic tension. Formal ambiguity. This relates to the structure of the music. A passage might be ambiguous if it could be interpreted as the end of one section or the beginning of another, or if it blurs the lines between common musical forms. Ambiguity in perception and meaning. Beyond structure, ambiguity also play a role in how music is heard and understood. Perceptual ambiguity. Number 1. This involves the listener brain actively resolving an uncertain auditory input. Classic examples include vestibular illusion like the tritone paradox, or certain rapidly repeating rhythmic figures that listeners hear shift between two different patterns. Expressive emotional ambiguity. Since music is abstract and generally lacks the concrete reference point of language, its emotional impact can be ambiguous. A piece of music might evoke multiple sometimes conflicting emotions. Ang konsepto ng ambiguity kalabuan sa musika ay tumutukoy sa isang sinadya at strukturang katangian kung saan ang isang musikal na elemento tulad ng pitch, rhythm, harmony, or form ay maaaring bigyan ng dalawa o higit pang makabuluhang interpretasyon ng tagapakinig. Hindi ito isang pagkakamali. Ito ay isang malakas na tool sa komposisyon na ginagamit upang lumikha ng tensyon, misteryo, pagdududa at emosyonal na lalim.